Well, hello, it's Bears back. I got a lock that I did yesterday. Um, it's a Syneco. It was sent to me by. Sorry if you can see that. It's I get this right. Syneco. It was sent by our good buddy Paul Springett, and since he tears locks apart, I figured he wouldn't mind me doing this one. But one of the lessons I learned real quick was remember your training. And my training was to always de-energize anything I was working on. Well, I left it locked when I cut the bolts off and hit this bottom plate. Well, the plate only took off a little bit, but that spring for this for the shackle, it's gone. It went bye-bye, baby. It took off. So I don't have the spring, but here's all the rest of the parts. So it I just wanted to see what was inside. But before I get going on this too much, we got a new guy that's into lock sport. Let me get this right. It's Bluegrass Lock Picks. I'll leave a link in the description below. Get over there, guys, and show him some love. Check him out. He just did a Stock Lock Sunday video, and I think it was the day before he did his first, which was his second, but his first official video. So go over there and check him out. Give him some love. Also, veterans, he's one of us, so head on over. Anyway, it was hilarious when that bottom plate took off. You should have been there. I'm going to see if I can pull this out. Okay. And if you can see down in there, this has a long kind of a switchback where this part pulls both back when you twist it, so it unlocks. It's plastic. You got a nice plastic. You could have melted this sucker. And one of the reasons I tore this apart is because it was so easy to pick. You just push that back pin and it opened. But yeah, it's got a clip on the back here, I can see. Let's see about getting that off. I don't know how I'm going to run a follower through here with that thing on it. We'll see in just a minute. Okay. There goes the clip. Okay, we're locked. I don't know. That thing's the same size as the body out here. It doesn't. Okay. Maybe I got an idea. Let me think about this for a second. Well, if I turn it like that, that would stay. Yeah, that'll stay right in there. But I got to keep that in line with the upper pins, kind of like a pinning shoe for a Euro cylinder. Maybe this thing will go in without turning too much. Oh, don't turn on me. Does this fit? I don't know if that fits. Kind of looks like it fits. Oh, well, it went in some. Uh-oh. It went in some, guys. Disaster. That didn't quite work right. So, well, let's just dump it. Nice try. Yeah. Oh well. It's got some. Let me see if I can pick up some of this stuff. Okay. Looks like we got some blob spools and some regular key pins. Well, they're shooting everywhere, but that looks like what we got, and that's the spring. So that's basically what we got inside of this sucker. I thought I'd tear it apart and see what it had, but yeah, that is big plastic, guys. So yeah, that's what was inside this little booger. And that's it, guys. It was just a quick little video to see what made this thing open, and it's kind of like a copy of a master, little 4-pinner. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and stay legal and have fun, guys. Bye.